Hi guys, today we're going to learn about tuples. But before we do, if you didn't watch my video on how to sign up for Ripple.it, go watch that before watching this, because you'll need to. Now, we're going to learn about tuples. So, what a tuple is basically, if we have time, we're going to learn about sets. Okay, so a tuple is, let's say, let's name this tuple 1. Space equals space, and for a tuple, we use parentheses. So now, in this parentheses, let's say we did apple, banana, and then orange. Now we're going to go out of the tuple, and we're going to see the length of the tuple. So what we're going to do that is do print len parentheses tuple 1. And then we're going to get out of this. And then when we click run, it's going to print 3. Because the len means length. So it's going to print the length of this, which means that's going to print, each of these. So that's 1, that's 2, then that's 3. But now if we print length of tuple, length parentheses tuple square brackets 1, it's going to print, let's see, it's going to print 6. Because it's going to look at number 1, which is banana, and it's count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if we type in 0, it's going to print 5, because apple has 5 letters in it. Now if we type in 2, it's going to print 6. So yeah, that was it for this video. See you in my next video about... Wait, actually, I said we could learn about sets right now. So we're going to learn about sets right now. So we're going to delete this code. Okay, so let's name our set 1. Space equals space. And for our set, we use the curly brackets. And now we're going to do apple, banana, and then orange. Now we're gonna, wait, let me guys teach you something. Let me teach you something new. Now, this time we're gonna print numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna do 5, and then comma 5 again, and then let's try 6. Okay, now we're gonna see the length of this set. So we're gonna do print len set 1, and now this time it's going to print 5, because in sets it takes out a duplicate. We just gotta run this. Oh, print 6. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, it's going to print 6. I was just it would be 7 if you add up all of these, so it's just going to print 6. If we take out the 6, it's going to print 5. Right there. So yeah, that was it for this video. If you want to learn about lists, then go watch my video on that. I also did a video on that, so you can go watch it. I'm not going to teach you about sets right now. Lists right now, because I don't have much time, as you can see. I only have 26 seconds. So, yeah, that was it for this video. See you in my next video about dictionaries. Bye!